welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our revision assignment is chapter 11 Money. You can refer textbook page number 119 to 123. Rani bought a pair of socks for rupees 53 rupees 50 paise and a handkerchief for 15 rupees 50 paise. How much did she spend all together? So for all together means which operation we will do, children? That is nothing but addition. So 53 rupees 50 paise, 15 rupees 50 paise. So 50 paise, how much, children? 1 rupee, because 50 plus 50 100 paise. 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. So write 0 here and 1 carry over. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 69 rupees, which is the correct one, option 2. Next one, Tina bought Tina bought 3 muffins for rupees 4 rupees 75 paise each. How much did she spend on these 3 muffins? So what we have to do here? We have to multiply. So 4 rupees 75 paise into 3. 3 fives are 15. 1. 3 sevens are 21. 2 regroup it. 3 fours are 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 rupees 25 paise. Which is the correct option? Option 4. Next one. Irfan had 20 rupees 50 paise in his wallet. He bought a toy car for rupees 16 rupees 50 paise. How much money is Irfan left with? That means total money with him minus cost of toy car. 0 minus 0, 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 minus 6 we cannot, 0 will become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. That is 4 rupees. Which is the correct option? Option 3. Okay. Next one. Ritu bought a chocolate for rupees 15 rupees 50 paise and Jim bought it for rupee 20 rupees. What was the total amount of money she left? So here she spent. So we know what is the cost of chocolate and John bought it. Then how much cost she spent already we can check. How it is, which operation we have to do? We have to do the addition. So add 15 rupees 50 paise and 20 rupees. 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. 35 rupees 50 paise. Which is the correct option? Option 1. Next one. Nisha bought 5 pencils. For rupees 6 rupees 40 each. 5 pencils 6 rupees 40 each. Find the total money she spent. See here, we know that how many pencils she bought and we know cost of 1 pencil. Can we find the 5 pencils cost, children? Yes. So which operation? Through which operation we have to do? We have to do through multiplication. Means multiply 6 rupees 40 paise into 5. 5 zeros 0. 5 fours are 20. 2 regroup it. 200 paise means 2 rupees. So 2 rupees we will have to add in rupee column. 5 6 are 30 plus 2. 30 plus 2, 32. So which is the correct option, children? What is the cost of 5 pencils? 32 rupees. Option 3 is correct. Next one. Irfan bought a pair of trousers for rupees 420 and a t-shirt for rupees 190 rupees 25 paise. How much more does the pair of trousers cost than the t-shirt? So how much more? Means which operation we have to do, children? We have to subtract cost of trousers minus cost of t-shirt. So that means 420 rupees 75 paise minus 190 rupees 25 paise. 5 minus 5 0 and 7 minus 2 5. 0 minus 0. 2 minus 9 we cannot. We have to regroup it. 2 will become 12. 4 will become 3. 12 minus 9 is 12 minus 9, how much children? 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So 230 rupees 50 paise. How much cost more than trousers than the t-shirt? 230 rupees 50 paise. Which is the correct option? Option 1. Next one. Sonam went shopping with 550 rupee notes. 550 rupees notes. 550 rupee note. 550 is how much children? 250 rupees. How much amount she has? 250 rupees. After buying some gifts, she had rupees 175 left. How much money did he spend on the gift? Means we have to subtract from 250 minus 175. We'll get it. What is how much amount left is? So 0 minus 5 we cannot. We already group it. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 7 we cannot. 4 will become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the cost of gifts? Means how much money she spent? 75 rupees on gifts. So which is the correct option? Option 2. Next one. The cost of one balloon is 3 rupees 75 paise. Irfan bought 6 balloons. How much money did he spend on these balloons? So what is the cost of each balloon? 3 rupees 75 paise. How many balloons he bought? 6 bought. 6. So what is how to find this? We have to multiply. We get the answer. So 3 rupees 75 paise into 6. 6 5s are 33 rupees. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3 45. 4 regroup it. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. So what is the cost of 6 balloons? 22 rupees 50 paise. Which is the correct option? Option 2. Next one. Rohan has rupees 90 rupees. His brother has 60 rupees. How much money must Rohan give to his brother so that they both have the same amount of money? So here Rohan has how much children? 90 rupees. And his brother has 60 rupees. What is the difference? 30 rupees more than the Rohan. So what is the half of the 30? Is 15. If he will give 15 rupees from him. So 90 minus 15, how much children? 75. Like 60 plus 15, how much? 75. Both will have 75. So how much money he has to give? 15 rupees, which is correct one? 3. The symbol for rupee is, what is the given one? P, paise, M, meter, km is kilometer, and rupee symbol. Which is the correct option? Option 4. So once again practice children. Thank you.